So basically, I always tend to do a little project that I really want to document and film, but I just get too excited and, you know, finish the project before I could even take the camera in my hands. So this time I decided not to rush in, not to do it. I mean, you guys read the title, you know what we're about to do today. So I basically got some stickers from Runway, which I was super obsessed with, and if you guys missed the video, I actually review Runway, so if you're interested in that, I'll leave the video in the eye. I was super excited to like utilize the stickers, and the first project had to be my MacBook case. I already selected all the stickers and kind of placed them together, and now we're just gonna peel them off. So I've realized it's probably better to clean my case before I start. So the idea is I'm gonna slide everything under this piece of paper. Try not to make a mess. I took a picture of it as well, just in case. Okay, never mind. Just gonna go from the picture, I guess. Okay, so I took a picture of how it was, and I'm just gonna assemble everything back. Okay, it's definitely coming together. Alright, and now these ones are the only one missing. I think you know what this means. Done. Oh my god, I think it looks lovely. So basically what gave me the idea to decorate my MacBook case is this little thing, which yes, I've decorated myself as well, and it's basically my pick case. I love to work on a small scale, and I was definitely quite terrorized about working on a big scale, but I'm actually super duper happy with the result. It's just so cute. Also, I added the Apple logo stickers at the very end. I'm not sure if I like it or not, but I can always take it out. I really hope this video gave you some sort of inspiration if you want to DIY your MacBook cover as well. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that helps me out. Tell me in the comments below what you think of my cover and if I should keep the Apple or not. And other than that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for a brand new cover every Tuesday and a main channel video every Friday. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!